Okay, who knows what the purpose of boobs are? Who knows? What are boobs for? Breast. To breastfeed. For milk for the baby, hey? They're not to fill up your bikini. They're to breastfeed the baby. Alright, what else do we get? Raise your hands. Yes. Say again. Period. Good. Well done. We're going to get to period shortly. Does anybody know why we have a period? So, okay. To have an egg, to have a baby. Okay, good. Right. Girls are different. We don't produce eggs. We are born with all of our eggs. So even those of you who haven't started your period, sitting here right now, all your future babies are inside of you. Do you want to say hello to your future babies? Yeah. Hello, future babies. Hello. Okay. So remember, you got your future babies in here. You must take care of yourself.
You can see that this is a cloth pad, right? Yes. And you're probably thinking to yourself, but if my blood is going to be here, am I not going to feel the wetness of my blood? The answer is you actually won't. And that is why we use that sports fabric specifically. It gives you a stay dry feeling.